ACT test strategies, elimination techniques. Hey there, English language learners. Welcome to another exciting episode of our English language learning series. Today, we will be diving into the world of test preparation and focusing on a key topic for those of you preparing for the ACT exam. We will be discussing elimination techniques and how they can help you tackle challenging questions on the test. So, let's get started. When it comes to standardized tests like the ACT, time management is crucial. With a limited amount of time to answer a large number of questions, it's essential to have effective strategies in place. One such strategy is the use of elimination techniques. By systematically eliminating answer choices that are unlikely to be correct, you can increase your chances of selecting the right answer within the given time constraints. Now, let's walk through a step-by-step process that can help you effectively apply elimination techniques during the ACT test. 1. Read the question carefully. Take your time to understand what the question is asking. Pay attention to any keywords or clues that can guide you towards the correct answer. 2. Scan the answer choices. Quickly read through all the answer choices to get an overall idea of what they entail. This initial scan will help you identify any obviously incorrect choices that can be eliminated right away. 3. Identify key information. Go back to the question and identify any key information that can help you eliminate incorrect answer choices. Look for information that contradicts or doesn't align with the given options. 4. Eliminate obvious wrong answers. Based on the information you've gathered, start eliminating answer choices that are clearly incorrect. Cross them out or mentally mark them off to narrow down your options. 5. Consider the remaining choices. Once you have eliminated the obvious wrong answers, focus on the remaining choices. Think critically and evaluate each option in relation to the question. Look for evidence or logical reasoning that supports or refutes each choice. 6. Make an educated guess. If you're still unsure about the correct answer after employing elimination techniques, make an educated guess. Use the process of elimination to increase the likelihood of selecting the right answer among the remaining choices. To further enhance your elimination technique skills, consider the following tips. Practice regularly. The more you practice using elimination techniques, the more proficient you will become. Incorporate practice questions into your study routine to hone your skills. Focus on patterns. Look for patterns in incorrect answer choices. Often, standardized tests include common distractors or traps. By recognizing these patterns, you can more effectively eliminate incorrect choices. Manage your time. While elimination techniques are valuable, time management is crucial. Be mindful of the time you spend on each question and avoid getting stuck on one question for too long. Move on if you're unsure and come back to it later if time permits. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our video on elimination techniques for the ACT test. By implementing these strategies and practicing regularly, you'll be better equipped to tackle challenging questions on the exam. Remember, elimination techniques can help you systematically eliminate incorrect answer choices, increasing your chances of selecting the right answer. Good luck with your ACT test preparation, and we'll see you in the next video.